Hello everyone. In previous video class, we have seen formula for resonant peak. We have seen formula for resonant frequency. For resonant frequency, we have formula omega r equal to omega n under root 1 minus zeta square. And for resonant peak, we have formula mr equal to 1 over 2 zeta under root 1 minus zeta square. Now let us see how we can define a bandwidth of second order prototype control system. Already I have told you definition for the bandwidth. Bandwidth is the range of frequencies up to cutoff frequency omega c. So at cutoff frequency omega c, m is 1 by under root 2. Or you can say, in accordance with the definition of bandwidth, we set the value of magnitude of mju to 1 by root 2 or 0.707. Magnitude of mju already be calculated. It is given by equation first. We know it is 1 over under root 1 minus u square to the power 2 plus 2 zeta u to the power 2 equal to 1 by root 2. So here we are considering magnitude of mju equal to 1 by root 2 because according to definition of bandwidth is the range of frequencies up to cutoff frequency omega c. So at cutoff frequency omega c, already we have seen in a diagram, already I told you magnitude of mju equal to 1 by root 2. Now let us simplify the equation. We have 1 minus u square to the power 2 plus 2 zeta u to the power 2 equal to 2. We know 1 minus u square to the power 2. Now let us simplify. We have 1 plus u to the power 4 minus 2 u square plus 4 zeta square u square equal to 2. Or we can write it as u to the power 4 plus 2 u square 2 zeta square minus 1, 2 zeta square minus 1 in bracket minus 1 equal to 0. Now let us define the value of u square according to the Sridharacharya formula. So we can write u square equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So with the help of this we can write u square, it is minus 2 zeta square minus 1 plus minus 4 2 zeta square minus 1 power 2 plus 4 plus 4, okay, divided by 2. Or we have u square equal to minus 2 zeta square minus 1 plus minus under root 2 zeta square minus 1 power 2 plus 1. We know u is omega by omega n. Here we are calculating bandwidth for the system. So we can write u as omega b by omega n. That's why omega b becomes omega n under root of 1 minus 2 zeta square. We can write it as minus of 1 minus 2 zeta square, minus minus becomes plus. So we can write omega b equal to omega n under root of whole quantity, means under root of 1 minus 2 zeta square plus under root of, let us expand, 4 zeta to the power 4 minus 4 zeta square plus 2. So this is the formula for calculating the bandwidth of the system. Suppose this is equation 6, means omega b equal to omega n under root of 1 minus 2 zeta square plus under root of 4 zeta to the power 4 minus 4 zeta square plus 2. This is the formula for calculating the bandwidth for the system, or you can say bandwidth for the second order prototype system. So this is formula for calculating the bandwidth of second order prototype control system. We know bandwidth is a positive quantity, so negative sign in quadratic solution and the negative sign in taking the square root have been discarded. So here I am considering only the positive sign. That's why I am writing omega b equal to omega n under root 1 minus 2 zeta square plus under root of 4 zeta to the power 4 minus 4 zeta square plus 2. So this is the formula for the bandwidth. Now let us see phase angle at resonance condition. From equation second, we know phase angle of MJU is minus tan inverse. It is minus tan inverse 2 zeta u divided by 1 minus u square. At u equal to ur, we want to calculate the value of phi r. So value of phi r at ur is given by equation second after substituting ur equal to under root 1 minus 2 zeta square. This value already be calculated. So let us put this value in second equation. So we have phi r equal to minus tan inverse 2 zeta u under root 1 minus 2 zeta square divided by 1 minus u square, we know 1 minus 2 zeta square. So we have minus tan inverse under root 1 minus 2 zeta square divided by zeta. So this is formula for the phase angle at resonant condition. So with the help of this we can calculate the phase angle. So thank you.